Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Duolingo Max, easy method. Open the Duolingo app and select Max Lessons, then set a comfortable pace and enable hints only when needed. Prioritize accuracy over speed, manage your health by avoiding random guesses, and review mistakes right away to lock in corrections. Speak your answers aloud, use short space sessions, and repeat daily for steady progress. Start by checking your app settings. Enable microphone access and allow notifications so you can practice speaking and keep daily streaks. Choose a lesson length that fits your schedule and slowly raise difficulty as you improve, avoiding sudden jumps that break momentum. Use the Review tab to reinforce weak skills, set achievable daily goals, and reward yourself after consistent progress to stay motivated and steady. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical methods. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings lessons to life with clearer audio and hands-free practice, making listening drills feel natural and fun, which pairs well with language sessions on Duolingo Max. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you want better sound. Now let's get back to the video. Use focused, short sessions of 10 to 25 minutes to keep concentration high while using Duolingo Max. Alternate speaking and typing to reinforce both pronunciation and spelling, and include short review blocks for older material to strengthen recall. Track mistakes and avoid guessing to conserve health during max runs, pause between tough exercises, and gradually increase challenge once accuracy consistently improves for measurable gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.